Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I'm traveling, so I cannot on my video and I will be muted. And if I know the answer of some questions, can I type it in the chat box?
Yes, beta, you can type it. But what we are going to do today is we are going to do written work today. So there are no questions that I'll be asking. We have done chapter reading. We have done chapter explanation. I have shown you videos. I have shown you images of various water bodies and everything. Today we are supposed to start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, today we are supposed to start with the key points of the chapter. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have not done exercises also.
Yes, we will do them after the key points.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Write down today's date, write down the heading. Key
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Arhan seems little unhappy to know that we are going to do written work today.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, your mic is on mute.
Yes, Arhan, I saw your reaction. It was not a very happy reaction when I announced that we are going to do written work today. What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan is tired. You're writing since morning today.
No, ma'am.
Arav Gupta is also sad. Yes.
Ma'am, can we write from the same page?
Yes, you have to write from the same page, beta.
Ma'am, I am going for scuba diving.
Who is going for scuba diving?
Ma'am, Arhan.
Have you set your background like that? But your background is blurred. I can't see it.
Ma'am, it is.
Okay, wait. Now let me share screen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am, I
morning.
guessed something about Arhan reaction is so sad.
Yes, guess.
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, I have only guessed. I don't know. Ma'am, I think that. Ma'am, who was this 350 Pooja Gupta?
It must be Shelly Gupta. Shelly Gupta, rename yourself or open your camera. It is a combined class, 4th A and 4th C. Yes, Jaskaran, what is your guess?
Yes, ma'am. I think that when the some days back the Yashmit and Haran are fighting.
Then
So now Arhan don't talk to Yashmit. And ma'am, I don't talk to Jaskaran. Yes, ma'am.
very bad. You should not do like this, beta. You should talk to everyone.
Please start
What we are doing?
Ma'am, this is a great war.
Ma'am, can I go and take my copy and book?
Yes, beta, go and get your copy and go.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, today
Ma'am, we haven't started yet.
I have not started sharing any screen. Just wait, let me open the screen.
ma'am,
Ma'am, we have done all the key points of it.
excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, we have done difficult words, right? We have done difficult words of
I mean, 4th C we have done.
Ma'am, can we draw something?
Wait, Bhavya, wait. You will draw something, but you will draw after doing the key points.
Ma'am, we have done till 8th one.
Yes, you have done. Now, section A. 4th A will listen to me very carefully. 4th A, what you are supposed to do is you have to draw different water bodies. I'll tell you which diagram you're supposed to draw. This screen that I have shared is for 4th C group. 4th C because 4th A has done it. So I'm giving them a different piece of work to do.
Ma'am, this we have to the.
Fourth C will do the screen that is shared. Start doing, and fourth C, everybody mute yourself.
Ma'am, fourth A also do this.
Fourth A, I will tell you what you're supposed to do. You
Ma'am,
have to
which
draw.
diagram we have to make?
Yes. Which diagram?
Ma'am,
I'm
which
showing you ना बेटा. I'm showing you. Patience होती है कोई चीज. You can check.
Ma'am, we have not.
You can
Ma'am,
check.
we have not done all key points.
And what,
Difficult
ma'am?
words.
And what we have to underline?
Beta underlining I will tell you later. Just keep writing. Okay, fourth A group. Check your WhatsApp group. Check your
Ma'am,
class
ma'am,
WhatsApp.
we have not done full difficult words. We have only done till 13th.
Okay, if you have not done, see here. 14th, 15th, and then start with the key points. Yes, now fourth A, you have to draw this diagram where you started the chapter with the difficult words. Different water bodies like ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Now scrolling up and scrolling down is completely. Wait. Let me mute this class. This class can't be unmuted for long. Whatever you have to type, type it in the chat box. Scrolling up, scrolling down is completely in my hands. I will do it according to everyone's time. If you are too fast, please don't disturb the class by saying scroll up and scroll down. I'll go by average speed of all students. what I have written after liquid is state. Liquid state. Okay, now can I change the screen? Type in the chat box yes or no. Can I change the screen now? No, okay, I will not change. Yes, so many no's, so I'm not changing. Don't worry, do your work. Beta, those who want to take screenshot can take so that I can change the screen now. Next screen here. Take screenshot and zoom it according to your own convenience. Take a screenshot, then I'll zoom it here. Those who want to see the screen, the previous screen for 20 seconds, please have a look. Ma'am, please show for 20 seconds. Very nice. And ma'am, I have to take photo of previous picture. Please show that again. Okay, Agrita beta, if your eyes are paining, you can leave the class. No worries. Done? Previous screen done? Okay, moving on to the next one. Fourth A students, you want to ask me anything? Okay, Ankush Gautam, beta, I have seen you've drawn pond. It's looking very nice. But you have to draw all the 4 water bodies.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am in 6 point, what is written after
A
fresh?
river is a body of fresh flowing water across the land.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Vamika, I have unmuted you. Say what do you want?
Ma'am, I am saying that what we have to draw.
You don't have to draw anything right now. You only have to write the key points. Have you written till 8 key point?
Ma'am, I am on 5.
Okay, right. Finish key points first, then I'll tell you what to draw. Yes, children, now all of you can breathe. I know you're waiting for a long time to speak something. So many hands, so many chats.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am saying
Yes.
that, ma'am, please,
Ma'am, I am saying that.
I am doing.
ma'am, please turn the page.
Please turn the page.
Ma'am,
Okay,
please turn.
Jaskaran, you say, Jaskaran, what are you saying?
Ma'am, please send again on WhatsApp group this thing.
Why again? I have
Please
sent
turn
you.
the
What
page.
happened? Yes, I'm turning the page. I'm moving the page. Just
Ma'am, I am seeing from. Ma'am, I am seeing from the WhatsApp and doing.
now these 2
Ma'am,
points,
please
last 2
send again.
points.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Send again.
Send again.
Ma'am,
Why
please
that got deleted? That got deleted.
Ma'am, send my drawing.
No, ma'am, it is not deleted.
Okay, Akshar, I'll check your drawing better. Wait. Now this work needs to be sent again. So I send it again in 4th C group. Yes, now 4th A students, you have to do the last 2 points. You had not done these points in the previous period. I have sent the work again. Yes, Jaskaran, you still have to say something.
ma'am, I am saying that in 7th one, what is written after, for example, in A.
A, the Ganga. For example, river Ganga.
I have done work.
And B, Tapi and Narmada.
I have done work.
Okay.
Ma'am, please see my drawing.
I have done work.
Ma'am, where are the 2 key points that you were talking?
Beta, the screen is shared. See on the screen. On my screen, beta. I will send it in your class also. Wait.
We have to do this now.
God.
Ma'am, we have to not highlight. We have to not highlight anything in this key points.
Don't highlight anything. Okay, drawn by Akshaj. Very nice, beta. But where are the colors? Colors are missing in the drawing.
Can I say?
Yes, Ankush Gautam.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the 7th one, B1, after, for example, it is Narmada or Narmanda.
Narmada. 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 And Tapi. Tapi.
Ma'am, till 10 key Ma'am, ma'am, I am on the 8th one. Ma'am,
Yes.
till 10 key points only.
Yes, beta. There are 10 key points only.
Ma'am, I have done till 10.
Good.
I also done. Ma'am, I have done Yatharth Singh.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying I have done all Yatharth Singh.
Okay, beta. Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am, in 9th one, what is written after C formed?
Ma'am, done.
Sea formed by an inlet of land.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, wait.
Ma'am, done.
Yes,
I'm
done.
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 ma'am, in
Everyone
eighth
has
one,
done.
words are written after example.
Yes.
Think of EG.
Meaning of what?
EG. Example.
EGO, example. It is short form for example.
Ma'am, but I have written EX.
What have you written?
Ma'am, EX.
That is also fine.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in eighth one, I am saying that what is written after example?
Bay of Bengal is written in the 9th point, beta, and 10th point, Park Strait.
Ma'am, in eighth one.
8th one. Now let me go back to the 8th one then.
Ma'am, in Park Strait, ma'am, we will pronounce
Here,
L
wait,
also.
wait. In 8th one, it is written Wooler Lake and Dal Lake.
Okay, ma'am.
Now say, who was saying something?
Ma'am, in the Park Strait, we pronounce L also.
No, it is
Ma'am, which
not
we have to
Pal.
draw?
Draw. Now, 4th C has done this work till 10 points.
Ma'am, we also done.
Send all the work on WhatsApp group.
Okay, wait. Just wait, I'll tell you what is to be done. 4th C, now you're supposed to draw this picture. All the water body, not all, just 4 water bodies, how they look.
Ma'am, any four.
Not any 4, beta, I'm sending now, wait. Where is
Ma'am,
it?
these all you have sent.
Have you got? It is not showing.
Yes, ma'am.
You've got all the water bodies.
Yes, ma'am. For rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans.
Yes, you
Ma'am,
have
I have to. Ma'am, we have to draw any two.
all the 4. All the 4. You have to draw all these
Okay, ma'am.
bodies.
Ma'am, but how we draw these ponds and can we see easy drawings?
Yes, you can see easy drawings if you want.
You can send the easy drawing.
Beta, I didn't find any easy drawing.
We have to draw, but what we have to draw?
Beta, see now I have sent on the class groups. Open that page. There are 6 images in all. Open it and see what is there.
Ma'am, I find my drawing from Google.
You have sent your drawing.
another page like A4 sheet?
No, you have to draw in this copy only.
Okay, ma'am.
Which page we can draw?
The starting page where you wrote difficult words.
Ma'am, till 4. Ma'am, till 4 we draw the starting page difficult words.
Till 4, what do you mean till 4? Draw these 4 pictures on that one page where you started difficult words. There on the blank side, you can draw these.
Ma'am,
4
I am on the
lines
last
by
key
dividing
point.
the page.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done all key points. Now I have to draw.
Okay, Rana, why do you speak so much? Keep doing your work. What, Aksharj?
Palak ma'am is absent today.
Payal ma'am is absent, not Palak ma'am.
So ma'am, this is the period of English. So why Palak ma'am not?
Okay, I think then she is also on leave. Payal ma'am was absent today, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Palak ma'am.
Palak ma'am is also on leave, I believe.
Ma'am, in the whole word there is only one page.
What does that mean? I don't understand.
Ma'am, I am asking that in the whole world, mean in the earth, there is only one bay.
No, there are many bays. I don't remember the name, but if I'll search, there are many bays, beta. Not just one.
One is Wine Glass Bay.
Yes, very nice. One is Wine Glass Bay.
Ma'am, can I draw this river?
I can't
Ma'am?
see your river. Where is your river? I can't see you only, Raina. Where are you? Yes, you can draw this. Good, nice. Very easy.
Ma'am, please share the picture again.